Hello! Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your Philips Avent Electric Sterilizer. First of all, if you want to do anything from what I'm gonna show you in this video, it's at your own risk. Let's start. First of all, we're gonna test if Philips Avent is working. So, we're gonna try to turn it on. The light is not turned on, so it's not working. Let's make sure that the electricity is passing in the cable. For this, we're gonna use a voltmeter. The cable works, so let's dismount the machine. As you can see, there are no screws in these holes, so you must try to crack it open by force using a screwdriver or to melt it using an iron tool. Now you can just remove the cap and then you will find 6 screws, so you need to dismount them all. Then, using your multimeter, you will check the electricity in the circuit. There's no beep, so the circuit is open. Probably the problem is the thermal fuse, so we're gonna check now. So the problem is from the thermal fuse, so we're gonna replace it now. Make sure that the replacement part has the same intensity and the same temperature as the one already in the machine. And once we're done, we put the electricity back and we check the small lamp. It is on. Now it's working. And now we reassemble the machine while making sure that everything is in place. So in the places that we cracked open or melted the plastic in order to open the machine, we can try to put screws on in order to hold the machine all together. In my case, there are some cracks showing in the outside. So I just put a tape on it and remove all the excess tape from the bottom. Finally, we plug the machine and check. It's working properly. If you like this video, don't forget to give us the thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.